Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Today I am going to be working on some buffalo check Christmas decor. Last year I did my first ever themed Christmas tree and I chose buffalo check, and I'm sticking with it this year because I loved how it looked. I love the farmhouse rustic buffalo check look, and I'm really excited to get all my stuff out from last year and make some new stuff as well. And so right here I just have some 2x4s that I had cut up a few years ago and had fall written on them, and I just really never liked them. So I'm reusing them, and I'm going to paint them white to cover up the existing paint, and I'm going to make a new little block sign out of this for Christmas. And so I'm going to be using some stickers that are burlap that I had left over, and some leftover buffalo check ribbon I got last year. I think I got this on sale last year at Hobby Lobby, and so I'm sure they have more this year as well. And I'm hot gluing the ribbon onto the block right in the middle of it, so there's still white at the top and white at the bottom, if that makes sense. And once I hot glue that down, I'm going to stick the burlap letter over it to spell out the words for my sign. And here's my finished product. I went ahead and spelled out Jolly. I had 5 blocks, and you could spell out Merry, Holly, whatever 5-letter Christmas word that you want. And I love how it looks. It's super rustic and really easy to do. And I think it's going to look really cute above our fireplace. And for my next project, I am reusing the ribbon that I used in the project before and a leftover wine bottle. If you don't have a wine bottle, you could use any Dollar Tree glassware that would work too. And I'm just going to hot glue the ribbon in the middle of the bottle. And then at the bottom and the tops, I'm going to wrap twine around it. Now, at first I wasn't going to put twine at the top, but it looked really weird without it, and I did struggle trying to get the twine to stay around the shape of the bottle. That's why I think maybe like a more round bowl or a cup would be easier, but all in all, it still looked good at the end, so stay with me here. And to finish off the bottle, I'm going to be using a Dollar Tree ornament, and I'm just hooking that around there, and it just sits right on there. It adheres to the twine since the hanger on the ornament is twine as well, and I think that just really dresses it up. I love how this turned out. It's rustic, it's cute, and it was worth fighting the twine on the top. I think this was gonna look really cute in my kitchen somewhere. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you some ideas. Let me know what your favorite theme is for Christmas and what you decorate your house, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.